Golly. Hey, don't do this shit at home now. Come on, man. That means slow your head down. Slow your head down, pump them brakes. Yo, what's good, man? My dog pulled up on me with the track, the new track. He said he want me to slide that thing, test it out, you know, so we gonna get active with that before we hit this jump, man. Peep it out though, dog. Ooh. Come on, man. Okay. We got a little bass to it, huh? Hey. It's a good day to be alive, man. Y'all boy be thankful y'all woke up today. Hey, that boy tatted. Beat them tats on me now. You know what I'm saying? Make sure you go to the gym, stay fit. My boy got the seat far back like his 6'8". Well, my boy only about 5'9". Golly. I'm talking about legs struggling. Let's see what we talking about now. Oh, I already snatched a man. Hey. Rápido. Yeah, we like that. I ain't gonna lie, man. I had some shit like this. I'd be getting tickets every goddamn day. What more that there?
Track.
I mean, that been on that. What do you normally drive in? Like some daily type shit.
Not daily. I'll just put it in an auto or sport.
I'm guessing.
You always catch somebody in here that want to race, bro. It's always somebody.
So whenever you got that shit in track mode, you use no gas?
A little bit, but you get the full power of the car. I mean, I drive with paddle shifters.
So like paddle shifters, like manual?
Yeah, pretty much.
That shit hard for sure. It's that move, get out the way. Sliding through there, man. Yeah, we definitely gonna have a good workout at the gym today too. My fault. Slow your head down, pump them brakes. Check the mirrors, make sure ain't nobody around.
Shots than John Moran, you move move just like you, Pistol Peaches. Nigga gotta walk down, leave him chalk down, gotta use your hands and feet. Ooh, walking down, marry the scrum, I get a ring. Bust down rollers, beans and patch, bitch, fucking pappy, you know what I mean? Ooh, hit his ass, no leg, the young rich shooting, chrome hot jeans. Ooh, the money I gotta have, don't stuff these racks inside the magic. Young nigga do carjack, can't solve this murder, no Roger Rabbit. Don't scroll like Randy said, it's more magic, I bet not pay. Big ass gun, my pants, said he wakes on, then my man's laughing. Didn't no baby go, he can handle it, but I'm still paying. Show me what you do for this buzz down.
He said, bro, you gonna be like, man.
Yeah, it's like thinking like I need the best camera, I need the best mic, the best computer.
Don't need shit but a phone. It's crazy. You can edit through the phone.
All you need is a cell phone.
Block this out with a truck is tough. It's crazy.
Man, it's hella goddamn traffic.
Yeah, that's crazy. Is it Saturday?
Yeah.
I mean, thinking Saturday be open.
A lot of these people going. The sky look beautiful though. That bit look beautiful. Oh man, I need some more tattoos, bro. I'm thinking about getting my eyeballs tatted next. Y'all ever got your eyeballs tatted? Oh shit, I guess I'm gonna be one of the first people to do it within this community, you know what I'm saying? So stay tuned for that. I'm gonna get my tongue tatted too. What y'all think about that? Nah, I'm just playing. I'm just fucking with you. But on the real, I need to get my back done. Feeling this little small gap on my thigh and shit. We in that bit. I'm about 92% tatted out of 100. When I came out the womb, I already had like a sleeve. You know, y'all ain't probably unlocked that level yet. But we living though. Alright, I see that little peak now. Yeah, get your ass over. More slow ass traffic. Hate to see it.
That shit's going to be crazy.
It's all coming, man. Hey, the manifestation is real, but power of the tongue, but you gotta speak that shit into existence. Speak that shit into existence, man. With anything. My boy manifested that track, no cap. And now we here. Come on, man, get y'all ass out of it. I'm gonna push it bit up one more time, let's see.